What's going on, guys? I'm here with the junkyard SRT4, and I had a turbo issue recently. The issue was that the turbo was blowing air out of the compressor, and I was like, oh, the turbo shot. But then I checked for shaft play, and I checked for smoke, and the turbo was acting up fine. And the car had a high idle, so I was like, okay, maybe it had to do with that. But then I remembered, I checked the issue, the idle issue, and I had an intake leak in my intake manifold. But I was like, okay, I don't think that has to do anything with it. But I started thinking, and since this thing has the stock blow off and the stock wastegate from factory, they're both electronically controlled. So it was since the intake manifold was leaking, it was seeing such a lean condition that the ECU held the blow valve open to not damage the motor because it was getting too much air and not enough fuel. But yeah, and since the blow valve is right here, is connected right on the bottom of the turbo, the computer, it held it open, so my boost was coming out through the inlet at idle. So if you do have ever a turbo blowing air out of the compressor side of the inlet, then check for any intake manifold gasket leaks or anything else.